Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best boat hydraulic steering kit for mid-range outboard engines. The 150HP Outboard Hydraulic Steering Kit by E-cowlboy. If you're tired of stiff or unreliable steering on the water, this might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Let's start with what you get in the box. This isn't just a cylinder or a steering wheel, it's a complete hydraulic steering system. You'll find a 13-inch anti-slip steering wheel, a helm pump, a precision-balanced hydraulic cylinder, 2 extra long 26.8-foot polyurethane hoses that can be trimmed to fit your boat size, and all the necessary hardware including an oil fill kit. That's everything you need to swap out your outdated mechanical system or replace an older hydraulic unit. Now, why is this kit special? It's designed specifically for outboard engines up to 150 horsepower. Making it a great fit for fishing boats, pontoons, center consoles, bay boats, and other single outboard vessels. Whether you're powering through a calm lake or cutting through choppy coastal waves, this system is engineered to keep your steering smooth, responsive, and accurate. At the heart of the system is the bi-directional locking hydraulic cylinder. This feature eliminates rebound torque, meaning once you set your direction, your engine stays in place, no drifting or fighting the wheel. It's an especially critical feature if you're navigating at higher speeds or dealing with crosswinds and current. The helm pump is another key highlight. It's a 25cc low-friction unit that delivers fluid with efficiency and precision, capable of handling up to 6.9 megapascals or 1000 psi. That means better control with less effort on your part. You'll really feel the difference when you're making tight turns or docking in tough conditions. The hoses included are top tier as well. They're 30% longer than standard, giving you a generous 26.8 feet of length, and they're cuttable for a perfect custom fit. With 200 bar burst resistance and durable high-strength nylon construction, these hoses are rated to last 5 times longer than typical ones. Durability doesn't stop there. The cylinder is constructed from marine-grade aluminum alloy with an extra corrosion-resistant coating. So whether you boat in saltwater or freshwater, it's built to resist wear and tear from the elements. And for those who've used the HK4200A3 system before, here's some good news. This E-cowlboy kit is a direct OEM-compatible upgrade. It brings better materials, tighter machining tolerances, and longer-lasting performance, all without needing to change your boat's current setup. To wrap it up, the E-cowlboy 150HP Outboard Hydraulic Steering Kit is the kind of investment that pays for itself in comfort, control, and reliability. It's got everything you need for a full upgrade, works with all major outboard brands, and is made to endure whatever your boating lifestyle throws at it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more hands-on product breakdowns just like this. Safe boating out there, and we'll see you next time.